Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming two essentials, a prismatic shard or the ability to reach the required enemy at level 120. Once done, gather health and energy items and at least 10,000 gold for travel and respawns. Make sure to equip a fast tool and a horde of bombs if you plan Skull Cavern runs. Immediately head to the mines or prepare for the special event spawn. You need to be in position before attempting the sequence that triggers the Galaxy Sword acquisition. Now execute the mid-sequence precisely. Interact with the specific shrine or object, then perform the required attack or placement in the exact order the game cues. You must time hits between enemy spawn windows and not waste interrupts. Once interactions register, move quickly to the next location or attack pattern. Delays reset progress. Keep energy above 50% and avoid dying. Failing mid-process forces a restart. If you run low, use quick snacks and re-enter the area. Finish by performing the final interaction and immediately collect the Galaxy Sword when it materializes. If it does not appear, reload your last save and repeat the trigger sequence. Many issues result from timing or inventory conflicts. Make sure you have at least one free inventory slot and no conflicting quest items equipped. If problems persist, reset the zone and retry the exact order while monitoring energy and spawn windows. This most often resolves the failure without extra steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.